3.
Good day, I am Davi Anbari and I will discuss to you linear functions and its applications. As guided by our set of objectives, number 1, define linear functions. Number 2, describe a linear function using its points, equation, and graph. Number 3, identify the domain and range of a linear function. Linear function. It is a relationship f defined by y is equal to mx plus b. For real numbers m and b is a linear function. The independent variable is x and the dependent variable is y. For example, f of x is equal to 3.3. X is a function. If x is equal to 2, we will substitute 2 to the value of x, where f of 2 is equal to 6.6. Example number 2. G of x is equal to 1.5 for any real value x.
Here you go.
Linear function. A function with the form y is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constants. Y is equal to negative 2 plus 3 is a linear function. Each of the functions y is equal to negative x squared plus 5, y is equal to 1 minus x over 2x plus 5 is not a linear function. For example, someone makes copies of a music CD to earn money. To start this business, he needs to buy original CD, license, CD burner. After making first copy, he can make more. Essentially, he will spend the same money to make second one and third one. The cost function is like the following. C is equal to 500 plus 0 plus 0.8x when x is equal to the number of copies $500 fixed fee before production. Illustrative example number 1. Is the function f defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 a linear function? If yes, determine the slope m and the y-intercept b. Solution. Yes, the function f defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is a linear function. Since the highest exponent or degree of x is 1, and it is written in the form f of x is equal to mx plus b. The slope m is 2, while the y-intercept is 3. Illustrative example number 2. Is the function g defined by g of x is equal to negative x a linear function? If yes, determine its slope and y-intercept. Solution. Yes. Function g is a linear function because it has a degree of 1. Since g of x is equal to negative x, can be written as g of x is equal to negative 1x plus 0. Its slope is negative 1 and its y-intercept is 0. A linear function can be described using its graph. Let's have this illustrative example. Determine the values of the functions f if f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 at x equals negative 1, 0, and 2. Give their meanings and their ordered pairs. Solution. If x is equal to negative 3, then f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. It becomes f of negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 3 minus 1. And when you multiply 2 and negative 3, you have negative 6 minus 1 is equal to negative 7, which means the value of f at x is equal to negative 3 is negative 7. Or, if x is equal to negative 3, then y is equal to negative 7. This gives the ordered pair negative 3, 7. Recall that an ordered pair can be written as x, y. If x is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 becomes f of 0. Substitute 0 for x, wherein 2 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is equal to negative 1, which means the value of f at x is equal to 0 is negative 1. Or if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to negative 1. This gives another ordered pair, 0, negative 1. This implies that the graph of the function f will pass through the points negative 3, negative 7, 0, negative 1, and 2, 3. Out of the values, we can have the table below. With the use of a table, the values of x and y, the function can be graphed as. In this lesson, I have discussed the linear function and its application. I defined what linear function is and described a linear function using its points, equation, and graph, and identified the domain and range of a linear function. Ingon ko pa na?